Hello students. Today we will be continuing with part 3 of chapter 1. In part 2 we have done congruence modulo m and the definition of the congruence, and based on that we have done few sums as well. The cryptography, encryption and decryption has been deleted for your batch, so we will be continuing with the next topic, that is binary number system. Binary number system. Now, before knowing the binary number system, you are familiar with decimal number system. Now, in decimal number system, the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, total number equals to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 numbers are there. Therefore, in decimal number, we count the numbers as base 10. Base 10. So for example, if any number is there 1, 0, 2, 4, this we can write as 1 into 10 power 3 plus 2 into, or write over here 0 into 10 power 2 plus 2 into 10 power 1 plus 4 into 10 power 0. Again, suppose a number is there in the decimal form 512.28 suppose. So this we can write as 5 into 10 power 2 plus 1 into 10 power 1 plus 2 into 10 power 0 plus 2 into 10 power minus 1 plus 8 into 10 power minus 2. So here we can see all the numbers we are writing in terms of powers of 10. Means we are expressing this in terms of multiples of powers of 10. That's why it is called, in decimal system we call the numbers or count the numbers as base 10. Now binary number system. As the name suggests, binary means 2. So here the numbers used are 0 and 1. So number is total number equals to 2. Now in this, since over here it is base 10, now in this total number of numbers are 2, so here we will be using base as 2. Any number in decimal system, this only decimal system, suppose 1024, we can write this as 1024 bracket close and down we write it as base 10. So similarly, any number over here, for example 10, here I am writing the example, for example 101, if a number is written in binary system we will be writing as base 2. Now let us take one example. Let us consider a number in binary form. In binary form as 1001. Let us expand it in the binary form, in the form of binary number system. Then 1001 base 2. Over here it is in binary system. Now this I can write as 1 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. Over here 0, 1, 2, 3. Similarly over here 10 power 0, 1, 2, 3. We write it as a, so here also the same thing. Now its value let us count. Over here 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. So this value is 9, and this value whatever we have got is in decimal form. So you can understand the conversion of this binary system in decimal form also. Means a number in the binary form to a number in the decimal form. This only is the conversion formula or the conversion method. Let us convert a number in decimal form. Suppose it is 110.001 sufficient. So this I can write as again 1 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 0 plus over here 0 into 2 power minus 1 plus 0 into 2 power minus 2 plus 1 into 2 power minus 3. Now this I can write as 2 square is 4 plus 2 plus over here 0, over here 0 into 2 power minus 1 will be 0 only, again over here 0, and this one will be 1 by 8. Okay, so this will be 6 plus 1 by 8. Now 1 by 8 value, let us calculate. .125. So 6 plus 0.125. So this value is 6.125 in decimal system. So if it is not asked only expansion, then expansion of a binary number by you following the binary number system is this only, the first step which I have done. So now to some extent you understand what is binary number system and its comparison with decimal number system. Now next topic, let us understand the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the binary numbers. Now the method or the step which I have explained when I was giving the introduction of the binary numbers, the same I will be teaching right now with a new example, that is conversion of a number from binary to decimal. The same concept, the same thing, but a different example I am taking. Suppose any number I am taking as, let the binary number be 1011.1011. Okay, so this number is given in the form of the binary number. Now we have to convert this to decimal form. So I think we are knowing, but even then let us understand or solve it. So we can 1 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0 plus 1 into 2 power minus 1 plus 0 into 2 power minus 2 plus 1 into 2 power minus 3 plus 1 into 2 power minus 4. Okay, now this value is 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 0 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16. Now 8 and 2 is 10, sorry, this one is 11. 8 to 10 and 1 11. 11 plus 0.5, 1 by 8, right now we had calculated 0.125 and 1 by 16. So we can divide this also, means we have calculated 1 by 8 as 0.125. If I want to take 1 by 16, I can divide this by 2. So it will be 0.0625. Now let us add it. So this will be 11 plus 0.0625 plus 125 plus 0.5. So its value is 0.6875. So answer is 11.6875, and now this number we have got in the decimal number system, that is in the decimal form. So we will be writing base 10. So this is easy. I think now you understand conversion from binary to decimal. Now let us understand conversion from decimal to binary. This I am explaining with the help of an example only. In this what we do is go on dividing by 2. Okay, so let us understand with the help of an example. For example, let the number in decimal form be any number, be suppose 53 we are supposing. Okay, we will be dividing 53 by 2. Okay, but we will be making a column over here for the remainder. Okay, so when we will divide 2 by 53, 2 2s are and 2 6 are, remainder will be 1. Again if I divide this by 2, means we will continue dividing by 2 only. So 2 1s are, 2 3s are, remainder is 0. Again we will divide this 13 by 2, 2 6 ja, and over here remainder will be 1. Again 2 3s are, so remainder will be 0. Again 2 1s are, and remainder will be 1 over here. Over here we will stop. By the time the remainder doesn't comes to be 1, we will go on dividing. If the remainder comes with 1, we will stop over here, because now this 1 is less than 2. So we will stop our division. And the required number in binary form, therefore 53 equals to, we will be writing from here down to top right. Okay, from over here the means we will be following this pattern down to over here top. So 53 will be equals to 1 1 0 1 0 1. I think you understand. Some of the books what they do, or they go they take they do one more time division, that is over here they divide by 2, and over here it is 1, but that negative 1, that is remainder is negative 1, they consider it as 1 only. So over here they will be writing 0 and the remainder as 1. Then the same thing it is 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. Now let us understand the conversion of a decimal fraction to binary form. In last example we learned how to convert a whole number to a binary number. Now let us understand the conversion of a decimal fraction to binary number. So for example, let us take a number in decimal form as, let the number be suppose 0.26 we are taking. Now in this we will be going on multiplying with 2. There we were dividing with 2, here we will go on with multiplying with 2. So over here 0.26 into 2 is how much? 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 1 5. Okay, now over here the moment it is increasing by 1, means if the integral part is coming as 1, we will be writing over here with a carry of 1. But if it is less than 1, we will be writing with a carry of 0. Over here still it is less than 2, so we will be writing over here with a carry of 0, or we can write over here integral part 0, whatever I need this number only. So either you write with a carry of 0 or integral part 0. Again 0.52 and multiply with 2. So this will come as 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So it is actually 1.04. So we won't be writing this integral part. Over here this one we will be writing with a carry of 1. Okay, again this 0.04 I'll be multiplying with 2. So over here it will be 0.08 and with a carry of 0. Now this 8 to the 16 and so on, it will continue with carry of 0 only. So I am putting a stop over here. I mean not continuing this further. So we can write over here 0.26 as 0 1 0 and so on. In decimal form we can write, and with the base 2. Over here don't forget to put the decimal. So it is 0.010 and so on. Means wherever we want to stop the 000 we can write, or we can write over here 0.10. Okay. because the further numbers are coming as 0 0 only. Let us take one more example. Suppose let the number be, let the number be a bigger number I am choosing. Suppose over here 52 or 52 was over here. Let us choose another. Suppose it is 0.75. Okay, so let us multiply it with 2. So 0.75 into 2, it is coming as 1.50. So this one we will not write, and we will be writing with a carry of 1. Again 0.50 into 2, it is coming as 1.00. So we will be writing with a carry of 1, and here it is stopping 0.00. So therefore 0.75 equals to 1 in binary system. 0.11 in binary system. Okay, now let us do one example, which is a mixture of the integral part as well as the decimal part. That is a conversion of a number in mixed form from decimal number system to binary number system. Conversion of a mixed number in decimal form to binary form. So for example, let the number be 35.37. suppose. Now this I have to convert to binary form. So first I will be converting this integral part, that is 35. To convert the whole number, that is the integral part, we will be dividing by 2, and from this bottom to top. Over there I forgot to tell about top to bottom. Very sorry. I had to tell the top to bottom. I will be again saying for this decimal. So 35, 2 1 ja, over here remainder column. Let us divide it by 2, 2 1 ja, and then 2 7 ja, remainder is 1. Then 2 8 ja, remainder is 1. 2 4 ja, remainder is 1. Sorry, remainder is 0. Then 2 2 ja, remainder is 0. Then 2 1 ja, remainder is 0. Now then bottom to top, so we will be writing over here 35 equals to 1 0 0 0 1 1. Okay, you can give this symbol. Now for 0.37 into 2, with a carry of 0, with a carry of 0. Now 0.74 into 2, 14 it will be, but this one I am writing over here as a carry, with a carry of 1. Again 0.48 into 2 equals to with a carry of 0. Again 0.96 into 2, with a carry of 1. Means 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 2 9s are 18, and 1 19, 1 carry. So with a carry of 1. Now I am not proceeding it further. I am simply now writing it from top to bottom. Always keep in mind, top to bottom, top to bottom. In the last example I forgot to mention the same, top to bottom. So over here 0.37 in decimal system can be written as 0.0101 in binary system. ठीक है, therefore 35.37 in decimal system can be written in binary system as 100011.0101 and so on in binary system. So it's easy, you can understand. Whenever a number comes in the mixed form, that is integral part and the decimal part, convert integral part separately by dividing by 2, and the answer in binary will be bottom to top, bottom to top. And for the decimal part, multiply by 2, and the integral part, whatever it is coming, right over here with a carry of, and the number or the decimal form in the binary system will be equals to the top to bottom 0101, whatever it is coming. So at last you write this at one place, 35.37 base 10, that is in decimal form, now can be written in binary form as this. Now let us understand the operations of binary numbers, that is binary arithmetic. Now in binary arithmetic we will be doing addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let us first understand addition. Addition of binary numbers. Binary numbers. Now in the decimal system, when we were adding numbers, suppose I have to add 19 plus of 18. If I have to add it, now 9 and 8 is 17. We used to write this 7 over here and 1 is carried over here in the next column. Okay, here it is 1, over here 17. For over here for the ones place it is 17, but when it will go over here, I mean 10 over here, when it will go over here it will be written as 1, because the tens place has the value as 10 into this, the digit in the tens place. So when it goes to the tens place, its value become 1 over here. So now this number is 37. So we are knowing this addition of numbers in the decimal form. Now same rule or the same method is followed in the addition of the binary numbers also. So let us first understand it. We will be writing 1 plus of 0 as 1, 0 plus 1 as 1 only, 0 plus 0 as 0 only, and 1 plus 1 we will be writing over here as actually 0, but 1 is carried to the next column, so we will be writing over here as 10, and we will be understanding it more properly with the help of an example. So let us take an example. So 1 plus 1 is 10. Let us understand it in the form of column also. 1 plus 1 over here, whenever it is coming 2, like in the decimal system, whenever it was coming 10 or more than 10, we were shifting 1 to the second column. Similarly over here, whenever the sum is coming 2, we will be shifting over here in the means that 2 value as 1 in the second column. So 1 plus 1 is 2, so we cannot write over here as 2, because we have to use the digits 0 and 1 only. So whenever it is coming 2, I'll be writing over here 0, but this 1 I'll be shifting to the second column. So the value is 10 over here. Actually over here if I write this 1, if I write over here, this value is 2, but when it is shifted to the second column, it becomes 1. You can understand again with the decimal form system, when we used to write over here, suppose over here 19 plus 8, 9 and 8 is 17. We used to write over here, if I write over here 17, it will be wrong way. So what I write 7 over here, and this 10 I shift over here, where in the second column it becomes 1, only 1. So 1 plus 1 we write as 2. So the answer will be equals to 27. Same thing over here, if it becomes 2, I'll be writing over here 0 and shifting this 2 over here, which will become 1 in the second column. I repeat, shifting of decimals over here. In decimal we shift 10 over here, which becomes 1 in the second column. Over here shifting 2 over here in the second column, which becomes 1 over here. I think now you understand. So let us do one more. 1 plus 1 plus 1, suppose. So over here it is becoming 3. So we cannot write 3 actually, na? So first of all, 1 plus 1 is 2. We cannot write 2. So 1 I will be shifting over here. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 0. Now 0 plus 1 is 1. So I'll be writing over here 1. So add 1 0 1 0 0 1 with 1 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So both are 6 digits. So we will be adding it at 1 0 1 0 0 1 and 1 1 0 1 1 0. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, and again 0 plus 1 1. Over here 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2, but we will be writing over here 0 and shifting 1 over here. Okay, I think understood. Now again one more, that is 2. Over here any other example I am finding, I am trying to find from a exercise. Let me see if I can get an example. Exercise 1.4 RD Sharma. Exercise 1.4 RD. It is 1 1 0 1 1. Number 4. 1 number 4 I am doing. 1 number 4. So over here 1 0, then 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. This I have to add. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, but I will be writing over here 0, 1 shifted over here. So 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 is 1, again 1 plus 0 is 1, again over here 1 plus 1 is 2, so I will be writing 0, 1 shifted over here, 1 plus 1 is 2, so I will be writing 0 over here, 1 shifted over here, again over here 1. Means 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is the answer. Let us check also once. 1 number 4, 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. So this one is correct. So addition of binary numbers, I think children you understand. Let us go to subtraction of binary numbers. Now let us move to subtraction of binary numbers. The same logic will be followed as we do in the decimal system. Now suppose let us take an example in the decimal system as 125 minus, let us suppose 127. Now over here 5 minus 7 we cannot do, so we take 1 from the tens place. Now tens place will give 1, but when it comes to 1 place it will become 10. So 10 plus 5 is 15, and 15 minus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It will become 8 over here. Again over here remainder is 1, because 1 from 2 1 has shifted to the tens place, sorry 1's place. Now 1 over here, 1 minus 2 we cannot do, so again it will take 1 from here. This one when it is shifted to this tens place will come in the tens place in the form of as 10. So 10 plus 1 is 11, and 11 minus 2 is 9. So the answer is 98, because this 1 minus 1 has become 0 only. So this value in the decimal system, we are knowing how to subtract the numbers. We have been taught from the junior classes. Just it's a revision, because the same method has to be followed in binary numbers also. So binary numbers we will be writing 1 minus 1 as 0. It's obvious, as same as in decimal. Then 1 minus of 0 as 1, 0 minus of 0 as 0 only, and 0 minus of 1, see over here, smaller minus bigger, will be equals to 1, but a borrow, with a borrow of 1, with a borrow of 1. So I think you understand. 0 minus 1 is equals to 1, because from 0 we cannot subtract 1. So but if I carry 1 from the second column, it will be equals to 1 over here. Second column, now understand over here, suppose it is 1 1, and we have to 1 0, and minus of over here it is suppose 1. Okay, now 0 minus 1 we cannot do, so this 1 will be shifted over here. Now this 1 is 1 in the second column, but when it will be shifted to the first column, it will become 2. I repeat, in decimal system, 1 2 minus, suppose over here it is 3. So over here 2 minus 3 we cannot do, so this 1 is shifted over here. So 1 shifted from the second column to the first column changes to 10. So we do 12 minus of 3. The same concept over here. 1 shifted from the second column to the first column becomes 2 over here. 1 shifted from the first column to the second column becomes 10 over here in decimal system. Becomes 2 in binary system. Now I think it is clear now. So over here this 2 minus 1 we will be doing 1 over here, because this one when shifted to the first column has become 2 over here. So actually we are doing 2 minus 1, but since in binary we have to perform 0 or write 0 and 1 only, that's why 0 minus 1 we write 1, but this one has this one has been taken from this second column. So 0 minus 1 is 1 only, and this, because since it has become 0, so we will be writing 0 1 only. Okay, now let us understand with the help of some examples. Subtract 1 triple 0, it is triple 1 from 1 triple 0. Okay, so we will be writing it as 1 triple 0 minus triple 1. Okay, now 0 minus 1 we cannot do, 0 minus 1 we cannot do, so from here we will be taking 1. Okay, so over here 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay, now from here 1, actually it is 0 over here, but it has given 1, so it is in deficit of 1. So over here again it will be taking 1 from here. Okay, so 1 already given, and over here 1 it has taken, so 1 minus 1 will be equals to 0. Again it has given 1 and taken 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0, and this is already in deficit. I mean this one has been given, so nothing to be subtracted, so it is triple 0 1. Again I am explaining this. 1 triple 0 and 0, sorry, triple 1 triple 1. Okay, 0 minus 1 cannot be done, so shifting of 1 from here will become 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, now nothing was here it was 0. How it can take 1 from here? It has not, it is already now in deficit, so it will take 1 from here. So 1 minus 1 will be equals to 0. Again over here 1, it is already in deficit, so 1 it has taken from here, so 1 minus 1 is 0, and this is already 0, so triple 0 1. One more example I am taking. Let us take from the exercise. Question number 2, subpart number 2, let us do. It is 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, now 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 1 is 1, but this has given borrow 1, so it has become 0, so 0 minus 0 is 1, again 0 minus 1 is 1, but borrow 1, so it has become 0. Okay, so answer is 1 0 1 1 0 0. Let us see the answer. It is 2, subpart number 2. So 1 0 1 1 0 00, correct it is. So you understand the subtraction. Let us go to the next topic, that is multiplication of binary numbers. Now let us understand binary multiplication. Binary multiplication also is same as we do in the decimal number system. So let us first write the rules, or let us first write the operations of 0 and 1. So 0 into 0 is 0 only. 1 into 0 equals to 0, 0 into 1 equals to 0, and 1 into 1 equals to 1. Okay, no other rules for multiplication, so we will be multiplying as such. Same as we do for the decimal number system, we can do for the binary number multiplication as well. So let us take an example. Suppose we have to multiply with 1 0 1 0 1 with 1 0. So with 0, if I have to multiply, I can leave that multiplication step, I mean the steps over here, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros we have to write. But when we are multiplying with 1, we have to shift 1 plus left side. But in chances of mistakes, the students can do they can do the mistake. So to avoid all that, you multiply with 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with 1, this cross and 1 place shifted to left side. So 1, we will be copying the same number 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now addition of the using the binary number system. So 0 over here, 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. The next example, let us take, it is 1, 0, triple 1 with double 1, 0, 1. This is a big number. So let us first multiply with 1. So same number copied with 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Now with 1. So same number copied. Triple 1 and 0, 1. Again with 1. So triple 1 and 0, 1. Now binary addition method properly. So over here 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So over here it is 0, but 1 shifted over here. 1 shifted over here. Okay, remember. Now 1 plus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0. Actually 2, but shifted to this side. So I am writing over here plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay. Now again over here 1 plus 1 is 0. Over here plus 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 0. And 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is again 0. So plus 1 over here. Okay. Now this 1 plus 1 is 0. So plus 1 shifted over here. And 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay. Now this 1 plus 1 is 0. And plus 1 shifted over here. So 1 plus 1 is 0. And 1 shifted over here. Let us check the answer. It is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Absolutely correct. And these all which you have written with pencil, you can rub it. Okay, so write this carrying with pencil. Let us do one more example of multiplication. I am taking from the exercise 1.4. Question number 3, number 3. Let us take 3, number 3. So question number 3, number 3 of RD. I am taking, so triple 1, 0 into 101. So with 1 I have to multiply, so same number copied. With 0 I have to multiply 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. With 1 I have to multiply, same number copied. Now addition properly, okay. So this is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Again 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Means actually it is 2, but 2 shifted over there. So 1 plus 1 is 0. And over here plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. 1 shifted over here. 1 plus 1 is 0. 1 shifted over here. So answer is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Let me see. 3, number 3 we have done, na? 3, number 3. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Yes, it is correct. So we have understood the binary multiplication as well. Let us go to binary division or division for binary numbers. Now let us move to binary division. The rules are same as to some extent of this decimal numbers division only. Only one thing you remember, 0 by 0 and 1 by 0 is not defined. 0 by 1 is 0 and 1 by 1 is 1. Let us do an example. Number 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 divided by 1, 0, 1, 1. Let us see. So 1, 0, 1, 1 1 0 1 1 0 0. So 4 letters, 1 ja it will go directly. So all are 0, this copied 0, this copied 0. So quotient is 100. Let us take one more example. Suppose I am taking the second example as 1 0 1 1 0 1 divided by 1 0 1. 1 0 1 1 0 1 divided by 1 0 1. So 1 ja 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 copied, so cannot be divided, 0 copied, cannot be divided, now 1, so 1 ja this one. So the quotient over here will be 1001. Let us see the answer once. It is 4 number 2 4 number 2 1001. So quotient is 1001. Over here quotient is 100, remainder is 0, and over here also over here we will be writing 0. So after subtraction, so quotient is, write nicely, quotient is 1001 and remainder is 0. So this is all from binary numbers, and this binary addition, subtraction and all. Find some more questions and to practice by your own. So till then, goodbye and thank you all of you.